Jackson was laid to rest Wednesday, just over a month after her lifeless body was found on Dyke Road in St. Catherine. It's not the way loved ones would prefer to see her go. With COVID-19 restrictions and funerals being prohibited, her relatives came to view her body one last time before her burial. Her pink and white coffin, half glass, half wood, was plastered with the happy images of the life that was ripped from her. Her head now on a white pillow, reminding loved ones of their sleeping beauty. Videos were limited. However, sorrow flooded the chapel, reminding the few people who were allowed to attend of the horrors she endured the day she was reported missing. Coincidentally, police would uncover that that's the same day 20-year-old Jackson met her demise. Though there were many low points within the viewing, a few heartfelt moments lightened the air. One being the presence of Khanice's father, Roy Jackson, and his new family, who had asked for a delay of the viewing.
This is an extension of my gratitude to everyone who worked hard to make it possible for us to be here in Jamaica. And we're eternally grateful, especially to CVM.
Another eventful point in the sorrowful moment was Khanice's mother and stepmother hugging while her stepmother struggled through tears to sing a tribute of comfort. Tributes were minimal, and those who managed to speak could not hold back the tears. Meanwhile, outside the funeral home, passers-by huddled in an attempt to pay their last respects to the young woman. They also offered words of comfort to the grieving family. News of Khanice's disappearance on March 26 spread like wildfire across the local media landscape. The accounting clerk was last seen by a man she had been accepting a ride from to work for some time. That man is now the main suspect in her death and disappearance. He's now behind bars and is to reappear in court on July 8. Paige Dixon, CVM Live.
Take a